how to limit who can see your email address on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to choose who can see this email address on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. Now all you need to do is click on those three lines up there, and now click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and now click on the first option, which is personal and account information. Now click on the second option, which is contact info, and now click on your email. And you have the second option, which is who can see this email address. You can choose who can see it by click on only me, and now fix your friends or public or only me, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.